question asks us to rationalize the pKa difference between these two alcohols. They're both alcohols, so you would think they should have the same pKa value, but they don't. One is 6 pKa units more acidic than the other. Why is that? The answer has to do with the conjugate base, so I've gone ahead and drawn in the conjugate bases for us already. If we look at the two conjugate bases, this oxygen negative charge can be stabilized by resonance through the ring. The oxygen on the negative charge on the oxygen here cannot be stabilized by resonance. By stabilizing this negative charge by resonance, we make this base more stable, and this base is less stable by comparison. The less stable base is a stronger base. The more stable base is a weaker base. The less stable base, the stronger base, has a weaker conjugate acid. The more stable base, the weaker base, has a stronger conjugate acid. Therefore, this is the stronger acid because its conjugate base can be stabilized by resonance.